While editing, I realized how boring and flat this edit looked. Good thing my grandma taught me these tricks. Okay. First, in this second clip, I gave the front and back keyframe points and I zoomed in the middle one with a size of 130. After that, in the third clip, I gave a front keyframe point and I zoomed in with a size of 130. And at the end, I gave another keyframe point, and in the middle, I gave a keyframe point and I zoomed out with a size of 100. Then in the next clip, do the same thing as in the second and third clips. After that, at each keyframe point, I gave a cubic out and cubic in graph until the end. Then in this last clip, I gave an animation of the paddling coming out. After that, I went back to the second clip, and in the second clip, I froze it, and the frozen result I moved to the overlay, and I removed the background. Then I adjust the duration to 0.5 and I reduce it like this. And in the overlay, I gave the front and middle keyframe points, which I moved up, and I gave the back keyframe point, and I moved it to the middle, and I returned the size to its original size. Then at the keyframe point, I gave a cubic out and cubic in graph. In the overlay, I gave a fade in animation. In the second clip, I gave an animation of smoke entering. After that, go to clip 10, and in clip 10, I freeze it and I move to overlay and I adjust the duration to 0.6. Then I remove the background and I give the back and front keyframe points and I make the front one smaller and I move it to the top right corner. Then I give animation enter flip and I give flow graph 2. In clip 10, I freeze it again and I move to overlay and I adjust the duration to 0.6 and I remove the background. Then I gave the front and back keyframe points, and I enlarged the back one a little like this, and I set the splice to 0, and at the front point, I set the splice to 72. And in this overlay, I give a neon effect, and at the keyframe point, I give a quad out graphic. After that, go to the last clip, and under this yellow bit point, I insert the video mirror effect, and I adjust the length of the effect until this next point. Then copy the effect and put it at the next bit point. After that, go back to clip 2, and under the second clip, I insert the flash effect, and I adjust the object to all the videos, and I adjust the length of the effect until the third clip. Then in the effect, I adjusted the speed to 21, glow to 30, and the others to 0. And in that effect, I copy it, and I put it under the next clip until the end. After that, I went back to the second clip and copied the flash effect and replaced it with the shake effect. And I copy the effect and I put it under the next clip until the end. And let's see the results. Thank you for watching.